fan. Welcome back to a brand new video. And I'm Norma. Today we went for a walk. So we're gonna turn here. Wait, where are we going? Wait. Oh, okay. We're going over here. Woo, where are we? Ooh, fancy. Okay. This is fun. Where's Daisy going? Where's my Daisy going? Oh, great. We don't have this where I live. Luxury. So nice. I really like this, actually. Very enjoyable. Why don't we go on walks more often, Mom? This is really fun. I like this place a lot. Okay, Mom, where are we going next? Just walk around the grates. Walk around the grates. No. Oh, I don't like it. That's gross. Anyway, what's up, guys? Make sure you like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.
Superpowers, you ready? Hi. What's your phone?
What do you mean?
Superpower. Hi.
Oh, cool, I guess. Oh, I wanna go over here. I wanna go over here. I wanna go. Ooh, what's over here? A beautiful flower. I love it. Mom, I got a flower for you. Okay, let's go. What's over here? Oh my gosh, it's a fence. I've never seen a fence before. Yep. Like this. Anywho, guys, this is so fun! I love the walks, they're so fun. Move out of the way, weirdo! Move out of the way! Move out of the way! Oh no, what's that? What is that? I'm scared, Mommy. Take me home. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna go home now. Oh, what is she doing? Is she having a seizure or something?
See the eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know.
Alright guys, we're gonna leave town. We're packing our bags and getting on out of here. Okay, come here. Wait, pause. My leash is tangled. 1 second. Oh, no it's not. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's 101. Oh, shit, back off, man. I'm a leader of the pack. You're just my evil sidekick. Okay, let's go. Hey, you're tangled in my pink. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, let's go. Can we cross the bridge? Oh, we want to go farther. Let's go. Come on, ladies. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Mommy, I'm scared. No. It's just because you're really annoying. Okay, let's go. Which way should we go, Mom? Let's go this way. I want to go this way, Mom. Come on, Ted. Come on, Ted. Not that close. Oh, that's right. I want to go with you. What are these rocks? It's very nice. What's under there? Okay, I think we should go. What if we get poisoned? What if there's poison under there? What if there's poison under there? I want this. Okay, guys. Flowers! Let's go to the flowers. I love these plants. They're very cool. Anyway. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's so many fruit that we can snack. Oh, cool. Okay, I'm ready to go now. Let's go. Come on. Hurry on, Ted. Ted, follow me. Come on. Oh, these beautiful flowers. Beautiful lilies. Beautiful house. Beautiful. I love this. Ooh, what's over here? Oh, okay. Hey, Becca! I'm the leader, not you! Oh my god! It's me! Oh my gosh! I like being there really loud. I wanna go home! Honey! Let's go one more break. Oh, we're going on a break? Oh, okay. Let's go. Bye-bye. Let's go. Oh, I better hurry before I fall in. Okay, we're turning. Okay, we're turning. Oh, teddy bear. You have to be able to hear. Okay, guys. Let's get some very cute footage of us just walking along the road. We're gonna do our final stops on the walk. In the house. We like this color. It's going house on tight. Okay, that walk was very, very fun. I'm just very tired. It's starting to rain over the north. What about you, kid? What did you think about the walk, Teddy Bear? And also make sure to share with your friends. Okay, bye, love you guys.